And that's a big mine dump truck. It's a heavy mine dump truck. And this is a steering wheel. It's goes like this. And it's dump.
Turn around.
And this one.
Turn your face on camera. Here.
So it's a dump truck can run. It don't have battery. So this is a dump truck. Now which one should we pick? Maybe bulldozer. Let's try bulldozer. This is a bulldozer. Bulldozer is a famous vehicle. So it can push, and that's so strong. This is a brake, tracks, and light. So what is a famous vehicle? So the bulldozer is so strong. In the earth, bulldozer is so strong. Every material and vehicles. So what is a famous vehicle? So I want you want to buy this, friends? This is a battery. And you not turn. And if you do it, so you friends, you have to like this, and this is cap and remote control. You can press this and you can press this.